This is my 18-inch LawnMaster electric tiller, and I love it. It came in several different pieces, but it was super easy to put together. Let me show you how. To attach the wheels, you remove the split pin and the washer, put the wheel on, put the washer and the split pin back on, and pull the long end of the split pin back into place. And finally, you'll install the wheel cover, making sure that you clip it into its designated spaces. To assemble the handles, you slide this into place and take the provided bolts with wing nuts, slip them through all the way through. And these have nice square things at the heads so that they will stay in place, and then install these lovely bright orange wing nuts. Finally, you'll install the upper portion of the handle, repeating the lower method where you put the bolt in and then attach the wing nut on the outside and tighten until it's nice and secure. Finally, install the cord clips to keep this power cord out of your way by simply sliding them onto the handle.